In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use if function. In an earlier video, I'd shown how to use the nested if function, but in this one, I'm going to use the ifs function, IFS. This one checks whether one or more conditions are met and returns a value corresponding to the first true condition. So let's see how it works. Now, to demonstrate, I have data for salespeople, A to I, and the sales they earn in a given month, 7K, 10K, down to 5K, and the rate which they are given based on this sales commission table, which says that if your score less than 10K, you get 2%, 10K and 15K, you get 7.5%, 15K to 20K, you get 10%, greater than 20K or equal, you get 12.5%. So using this table, we are going to use this table to allocate the rates corresponding to these sales. Of course, the easy way or the short or the long route would be check where 7,000 is and allocate a 2%, check where 10,000 lies in this table, allocate a 7.5%. However, if you have a long table, that would take a long time. Now let's see how we can do it using the if function, IFS. Remember, there's the if function, IF, but this time I want to use the ifs function. And according to the document, it checks whether one or more conditions are met and returns a value corresponding to the first true condition. So in other words, we give it a number of conditions and the first true condition gives us the value we need. So for demonstration purposes and for doing it faster, I did for the first row. And let's see the formula that we have in here. So I say if D2 is the sales for salesman A is less than 10K. If it is true, we give it a 2%, comma, then we go to the next upper limit and test if D2 is less than 15,000. If that is true, we gave a 7.5%. Then the next limit is 20K. Is D2 less than 20K? If it is true, the rate is 10%. Then the next is if D2 is greater or equal to 20K and the rate is 12.5%. As you can see, this is much user-friendly than the nested if, which has ifs inside another if. So if I click enter, we have 2%, 7,000 is less than 10K, and therefore we have 2%. Copy the formula down, double click. There you go. Let's check. 13K is between 10K and 15K, 7.5%. 12K is between 10K and 7.5%. So we get 7.5%. 17K is between 15K and 20K, which is 10%. So in this way, we have allocated rates using the ifs function. After getting the allocation of the rates, we multiply the sales for the month with the commission rate to get the commission to be paid to each of these persons. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch again.